Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer.
Miles.
And it's Miles. And what are we doing today, Miles?
Making a Nailed It Kit Explore.
Making a Nailed It Kit Explores video. Do you know what Nailed It is? I bet you your parents have seen a bunch of funny pictures floating around the internet where people try to make really cool cakes and they nail it, which means they didn't really do a very good job. So today, we're gonna make a Nailed It cupcake. We're gonna make cupcakes with piggies in them. Ripley's here to watch. You guys are here to watch. And can you spell Nailed It?
Nailed it.
Nailed It. N-A-I-L-E-D-I-T. Nailed it. That's what we're doing. So kids, we have to follow the instructions on how to make our cupcakes, how to make our piggies, and how to make our chocolate frosting. And guess who is going to be here to judge us on the cupcakes that we're making?
It's me, Chauncey, and I'm going to be judging you and Kit the Explorer on how you build your cupcakes. And guess what? You have 30 minutes to make your cupcakes. And if you can make your cupcakes really good in 30 minutes or less, you get a lifetime supply of crumble cookies for you and all your friends. What do you think about that, Miles?
That sounds good to me.
Okay, well, there's 30 minutes on the clock, starting now! You better get to work! Hurry up!
Oh, 30 minutes, that's not much time. Miles, come here. We gotta get started. We gotta make our cupcakes. So I think what would be a good idea is why don't you start putting the cupcake liners into the cupcake holes, and then we should start with making our cupcake batter. Yeah, we need a cupcake liner. Ripley can help us. We need a cupcake liner in each one of these little cupcake pans. And now it's time to make our cupcakes. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make our cupcake batter. It says on the instructions to heat the oven to 350 degrees, so we're gonna do that while we mix up our batter. Mix up our batter. Yeah! Can you do the dance with me? Mix up our batter. Mix up our batter. Yeah! 350? It says 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Can you make that sound with me to say this word? Egg. Egg. Eggs. That's right. Can you try it at home? Eggs. It says half a cup of this, which is 2 of these. 1/4 of a cup. That doesn't make any sense to me. Let's see. Let's do some math. 56 divided by 25. Carry the 1. Put a 0 in front of the vegetable oil. Oh no!
Spilling vegetable oil, really rookie mistake. I don't know if they can recover from this one. I think I might have to take a crumble cookie for myself because it doesn't look like they're going to have any anyways.
Okay, well, we spilled our vegetable oil, but we can still keep going. We need a cup of water. Miles, can you give me the cup? Right here. And we're gonna fill it up with our water. Now, way to use the funnel, Miles. Okay, and we need 3 eggs. We're gonna break our eggs. Will you count the eggs with me? 1.
2.
Miles, I'll let you break the last one, okay?
3.
And then we open it up. Good job. Uh-oh. There's a shell in there. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cake mix and we're gonna put the cake mix part into the bowl with the eggs and the water and the oil. Here we go. I can't open it. Oh no, I spilled a little bit of the cake mix. This is a disaster. We're gonna shake it in here. Next, Miles, I need your help, so I'm gonna sit you on the counter right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna stir up our cake mix. Stir. Okay, stir up our cake mix. Okay, come on. Okay. This isn't going very fast, but I think it would if we sped things up. Should we do super speed? Here we go!
We're going super fast.
Would you help me stir this? Put your hand on my hand. Put your other hand on my hand. The power of 3 hands. Stir in the cake mix. Oh. Whoa, that looks like some pretty good cupcake mix. I think what we should do that would make a lot of sense is to put the cupcake mix in the cupcake holders in the cupcake pan and put it into the oven. And while that's baking, we can work on our little piggies taking a mud bath.
Well, you know what? I think that including a baby on the team was a really interesting choice because babies, well, they're not exactly the greatest cupcake makers, but they sure love to eat them. Just like I love to eat cookies. I think I might try just one more box. I'll take this one.
Whoa! Super speed mixing! Whoa! I'm pretty tired, but at least we got our cupcake mix mixed. Now I think it's time to put it into the cupcake tray in the cupcake wrappers so that we can put our cupcakes into the cupcake oven. Here we go. We gotta be so careful that we don't spill. Okay, so far we're staying nice and clean. So far, we're nailing it. Oh no!
Everywhere.
Okay, it looks like we've got enough cupcake batter in our cupcake containers. And the cupcakes have to bake for 12 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking for 12 minutes, we're gonna make our little piggies, and we're also going to make the chocolate mud frosting that the piggies can take their mud bath in. What do you think? Sounds good to me too. Let's go. While our cupcakes are baking in the oven, we are going to make our chocolate frosting for the piggies to take their mud bath in. First, we're gonna mix up some whipping cream. Whoa! 1 package of vanilla or chocolate pudding mix. Our piggies are gonna love having a mud bath in this. Whoa! Oh no! This is really hard! Maybe we made a mistake!
I don't know, guys. That doesn't look very good to me. That doesn't look like frosting, really.
Maybe we start to improvise. We need to put something to soften this up, like maybe some almond milk? There we go. Whoa, no! Oh, it looks like the timer's done and it's ready for our cupcakes to come out of the oven. And oh, look, there's a hair. That's not good. There's hairs in our brownie mix. Ooh, here's our cupcakes fresh out of the oven. Those don't look right. That's not right. They need to go back in the oven.
What? Those cupcakes look terrible.
Okay, while our cupcakes are back in the oven, we need to start on sculpting our little piggies. Okay, look at that. It's just like pink Play-Doh, kind of. Here, you have half and I'll have half. And let's make a piggy for me and a piggy for you. Here's the part where I think we're going to be able to do really, really good.
Like a nose.
Look, yeah, this looks kind of like a piggy nose.
Oh no!
I hope we can finish on time.
Sorry, mister.
There's a little piggy for a mud bath. There's a little piggy tail. Okay, let me see your piggy, Miles. Oh, we gotta make you a piggy. There we go. Let's see. There's a little. We're running out of time, and Miles was just playing with his little candies. Here, we've got a body right there. Let's squish on a head right there. Here, hold this. We gotta put on some ears. There's an ear. Here's an ear right here. Right there's a little face. There we go. Piggy needs a nose. He's gotta have some arms too. Come on, help me. Grab an arm. Put an arm on that piggy. Oh no, kids, we're all out of time. We don't have time to chill our cupcakes, which we should do. But I think that these cupcakes look good enough to me. Chocolate frosting froster right here that we're gonna use to frost our cupcakes. Here we go. We're running out of time. To save on time, I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh, dude, Miles. Oh no, we're running out of time. I should never have used my hands. Hold that still, here it comes. Oh no. There we go, there's our mud bath. Let's push it down as hard as we can. There's one mud bath. Okay, there's two mud baths. Time's almost up! You have 10 seconds left! We don't have time to do that. Here's piggy number 1 who's got a little bum, and he's gonna go right there.
Number 2.
Right there. And piggy number 3 taking a bath in the mud right there. Oh no! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh, you're running out of time! Time's up!
Just with the drain back.
Miles, we're out of time! I gotta get that out of the drain! We're out of time!
Now, bring me your creations so that I may judge them.
I'm too embarrassed to go and take these to Chauncey. You'll have to do it yourself, okay? You're gonna take it to Chauncey. Here you go. Take it to Chauncey and see what he thinks.
Okay, Miles. Where's Kit?
I don't know.
Well, I can see why he ran off. Put that up here on this box. These look absolutely horrifying. This is a crime against humanity. I dare not even taste these. I can see you trying to make a little piggy there. Let's compare this to the one you were supposed to make. How do you think you did?
Nailed it.
You sure did. You nailed it. High five, Miles. Well, you guys win nothing. Which is pretty good because I already ate all the cookies. But even though you didn't quite nail it, the important thing, kids, is that Miles and Kit tried their best. And for that, you can have this giant box of crumble cookies. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take it. Go ahead and take that box. Enjoy those. Kids, thanks for watching Kit Explores on this episode of Nailed It.
Oh my gosh, kids. That was so crazy. Is Chauncey a tough judge? He sure is. But I'm just happy that we got to make some cupcakes together. How about you? Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Yeah! Do you want to have a bite of your piggy cupcake? Go ahead, take a bite. I'm too scared to take a bite. Oh, that piggy got chomped. Well, kids, you can do Nailed It on your own, in your own home, with your parents. All you need is to find a fun cake or cupcake that looks really, really cool and try your very best to recreate that. Chances are you'll nail it, just like we did. It won't be perfect, but it'll be pretty funny. And guess what? You can take a picture, upload it to Instagram, and tag Kit Explores Nailed It. And we can share some of the creations that you come up with on our Instagram stories. And parents, be sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at Kit Explores, and we've got more fun and educational videos coming up for you really soon. A new video every week now. Thanks for watching. Bye! How does it taste?
Good?
Does it taste okay?
Oh, no.
Wow, these were crazy piggy cupcakes.